getaway. We were just in Vegas visiting a friend. Say hi, Dan. Say hi. He's not gonna show himself, but okay. So now we're going out to St. George, Utah, and then we're gonna go to Zion probably tomorrow. But yeah, it's the first time I'm taking Lana out on a road trip, so we're seeing how she's doing, and she's doing pretty well. So I'm gonna show you some footage of the canyons and Zion and all that. So stay tuned in the video. We are in St. George, Utah right now. We're just driving around exploring because we kind of got here a little late. But we're going to explore tomorrow Zion, and then on Monday we're going to go to the state park nearby called Snow Canyon State Park. We didn't have any cash. You have to pay to get in there, which is fine, I get it. But I wish there's no attendant, so we can't. You know, I guess that's what happens when you're from LA and you're not from the country, I guess. You don't have cash. I hardly ever carry cash. So we'll come back Monday, I'll show you some footage there. But right now I'm going to give you some nice little views of the canyons behind us, and Lana, you know, she's looking good in the desert sun, so. Hey guys, another update. So we are here in Zion. The car is back there. Look at her, she looks so good. We're about to hike a little bit, walk around. We're gonna try to get the shuttle to go to the Narrows. I don't know if I'll be able to get a ticket for that today because we didn't plan ahead. But anyways, we're having fun, and then hope you enjoy the footage. adventure. Wasn't it? I'm cold as hell. My feet are numb. Water's cold. We're in the shade, so it's kind of not the best feeling, but I like it.